digital MC or a virtual MC? What do you call a person who hosts an online event? That may be one of your questions I would like to answer over here. Hello everyone, MC Thamarasan here from Chennai Event MCs, Entertainers and Professionals, Event MC, MC Trainer, MC Manager and the founder of the above brands. So basically once the lockdown started last year, I did a lot of research related to the virtual events, online events, digital events, remote events. You may be wondering why I'm saying so many different names. Yes, of course, that's how the online industry works, and there are different names or a different nomenclature I can say. So when I did the research, finally I found out like, okay, virtual MC maybe, or virtual MC would be the right name to give to a person who was the online event. In fact, in the initial stages, I also started using digital MC, remote MC, and other one is digital, remote, virtual MC and online MC, and of course and a few other names as well. But as I started doing a lot of research, I found out virtual MC has been the very common word that has been given to the MCs or the online hosts. So I started making use of it. Okay, if there is anything wrong if you use the other names, definitely not. Still you can use your name as digital MC, you can use as remote MC, or even you can use as online MC. But to my knowledge, or based on my research, I would say this is less used words I can say. The virtual MC is the most often used word. Maybe you can also check, you can go to Google, type all these keywords like digital MC, and you can find out how many results you are getting up if you are finding out something related to the event industry or something related to the virtual events. And mainly go and search in the images, like just go to Google, type digital MC, search in the images, find out what are the results you are getting. Mostly you'll be getting something related to the electronics item, because the word digital itself related to something electronic, so you'll be getting a lot of results likewise. However, you may be able to find a couple of my pictures there, because I've done a lot of hard work in the last 1.5 years. And you can, same way you can try searching for remote MCs, also you can try searching for online MCs. And one important word I would say, like you can search for virtual MC, and maybe I can also give it as a task for you all those have been following up regularly through my videos. You can go to Google, type virtual MC, the spelling I have given in the description, virtual MC, and search it in the Google images. And maybe if you have time or if you have the interest, you can let me know how many images of mine or my team members or my brand, like you may be finding virtual event MCs or MC Tamil, Nandi on toes, Chennai event MCs or Chennai event professionals. Maybe definitely either you'll be finding my picture or Nandini's picture or any of our team members' pictures or any of our training materials you'll be able to find. So let me see if someone is able to identify that out of 100 top 100 pictures, how many of my pictures you are able to see that. And let me give a clue, definitely it's not in single a number. It has crossed beyond the double digit. It's in double digit, I can say, out of 100. I'm not revealing the percentage because I'm really very happy with the result what it has given me. Out of 100 pictures, top 100 pictures, I have been or else my brand or my picture or Nandini's picture, it has come in several other places. I'm not revealing the exact number. Let me give it as a task for you. At this moment, I'd like to thank my mentor, Dr. Maharaja Subramanian, also, who has been training me on all this online stuff and who has been guiding me regularly. Thank you so much. If you like to book us for your events, or if you like to get trained by us for virtual MCing or for the offline events as well, you can WhatsApp me on 900-308-7198. You can get to know more about us in our website, virtualeventmcs.com. You can like our Facebook page, Virtual Event MCs, and also you can watch our videos in our YouTube channel, Virtual Event MCs. Have a great time.